Hello, in this video I want to show you how to uninstall apps from Huawei MateBook. To do this, we'll need to click on the Start and open the settings. Select Apps, go for Apps and the Features. Here you can use the search list to find whichever app you want to uninstall. But in this case I'm gonna choose the app manually. And let's go for this one. And now when you click on the banner of the app, you will see uninstall button. Click on it and proceed with the instructions, and that way you will remove this app from your PC laptop. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.